Hey guys, it's Wild Slimes, and today I'm going to be showing you how I package my orders for my slime shop. So first, I obviously just make the slimes, so you can actually see like all the making of the slimes in like my Restock with me's or whatever, so I'm not going to show too much of that because it also just doesn't have to do much with the packaging. So after my restocks, I'll get orders, and then I'll just take the slimes off the shelves so that they're ready to be packaged. So then if they're a layered or a swirled slime, I'll add the other parts to it, and then I'll just tape up the jelly containers. Then I'll just bubble wrap them up and put them in the box or bubble mailer. And with the slimes, I also include a business card, some borax, and just some random extras. So then I'm just repeating the process with this smaller order that went in a bubble mailer. So once I've packaged everything, I'll go print the labels so, USPS can take it. And then once I'm done printing and putting on the label, I'll just leave it outside and then the mailman will come and take it. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to check out my slime shop because this is what this video is all about. And I will see you in my next video. So link in the description to make your purchase. And yeah, bye guys.